Most people think laser welding success depends on parameters and skills. But for Kovar alloy sealing welding, environment control is the real king. Kovar alloy is commonly used in electronic packaging and optoelectronic parts. These industrials require extremely strict hermeticity. When welding in open air, tiny water and oxygen will get into the weld. This creates macro defects and reduces long-term reliability. No matter how you adjust your parameters, the problem remains. That's why we weld inside a professional glove box. With stable inert gas and low oxygen environment, the weld seam is fully protected. Only by controlling the environment can we get stable, consistent quality for mass production.